para subscribernya Albi Putra. Kenalin, nama aku Salma Laila. Dan ini video pertama aku di YouTube-nya si Albi Putra. Kalau kalian suka sama suara aku dan video aku, jangan lupa buat like, comment, share, and subscribe. Makasih.
Seems like it was yesterday when I saw your face. You told me how proud you were, but I walk away. If only I know what I know today. Ooh, ooh. I will hold you in my arms. I will take the pain away. Thank you for all you've done. Forgive all your mistakes. There's nothing I wouldn't do to hear your voice again. Sometimes I wanna call you, but I know you won't be there. No, I'm sorry for blaming you for everything I just couldn't do, and I found myself by hurting you. Some days I feel broken inside, but I wanna admit. Sometimes I just wanna hide, 'cause it's you I miss. And it's so hard to say goodbye when it comes to this. Ooh, ooh. Would you tell me I was wrong? Would you help me understand? Are you looking down upon me? Are you proud of who I am? There's nothing I wouldn't do to have this one more change, to look into your eyes and see you looking back. No, I'm sorry for blaming you for everything I just couldn't do, and I found myself. Oh, if I had just one more day, I would take you home, but I miss you since you've been away. Oh, it's dangerous. It's out of line to try and turn back time. I'm sorry for blaming you for everything I just couldn't do, and I've